Welcome back to Half Feral. I'm Eli, and it's been a little bit since I posted the last video, but this video is pretty cool. We are making a toolbox for my buddy Graham, just because all he's done for me, and make him a little something to celebrate 100K. So let's start building that. Alright, so today is the first day that I'm going to start working on the toolbox for my buddy Graham. We're just going to get a head start before the glue arrives, so we can go ahead and glue on every little sheet and pieces of paper that we're going to put on and stickers. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to prep the surface with some sandpaper and just give it a little, so it's a little grippy, so the glue will be able to stay on for a really, really long time. And it'll be durable enough for him lugging it around, building cabins and everything. So we're going to start on that, and that's probably all we're going to be able to do because we're waiting for the glue. School's starting up, so it's going to probably take a lot longer than I think. Let's go. Alright, so setting down this toolbox took like no time at all. Really simple. I was just giving just a little rough, so I didn't want to mess up the paint and everything too much. But I just wanted to give it a little, extra stick when we stick it with the glue. But yeah, that went great. No spots got over sanded any. I left the spots clean if I wasn't going to put any stickers there, but I guess now it's just a waiting game to get the glue, but I'm going to bring this over to the air compressor and blow off all the dust just to clean it up a little bit because it's really like painty. So we're going to do that, and that's pretty much it for the day. Alright, so before I go any further, I'm just gonna give you guys a little quick rundown of what this toolbox is. I grab a tape measure. This is a pretty shallow toolbox, but it's around 18.5 inches by 5 3/4 ish. And then we got this nice little gray tray in here that I might paint another color. I might keep it. I don't really know yet. And it's about 6 inches deep, so perfect size. And it's pretty much constructed of just a thin sheet metal. It's really not like heavy duty, just perfect enough for this project. All black except for the tray. It's got a little panel on top, lock in the front, if I can get it. Lock in the front, and yeah, rubber stoppers on the bottom, nothing crazy. Just a pretty simple toolbox. It's really just perfect for this project, so we're gonna wait for the glue to arrive and we'll start gluing some stuff up. Alright, so the glue just arrived. It's Aleene's original tacky glue. Always ready. So read something, said that we should use this to attach the paper to the metal, so we're gonna try this out, and we're gonna do a little test piece before we do the whole thing. We'll let that sit overnight and check back in tomorrow with it, but first let's test one out, shall we? We shall. Alright, so the glue, I think it's definitely gonna stick, but there's one problem. So when you put the glue on, it doesn't like it kind of makes the whole paper really like wet. So it might just be I'm putting on a little too much or something like that. But I think because when I was rolling it out, I was kind of tearing the paper a little bit. So I might need to either like wait a little bit or just not roll it out as much. Because I want it as flat as possible. And I got it pretty flat. And it just kind of broke at one little spot. But I think when we put some sealer on and we overlap a little bit, no one will notice it. But it's kind of what testing is. Good thing I knew that before I started the whole thing. Alright, tonight I'm gonna glue all these pictures and stickers, and I'm gonna try and put all of these on the front. So we're going to start on that. Hopefully it goes on great, but I'm going to roll a video and yeah, let's get after it. Alright, so I pretty much got the front of it done. Here, let me spin around so you can see. Pretty much got the front done. I started on the top, but I decided to stop. I got about 5 or so things I can still put on. I'll have to print some more stuff out, but I can find some more stuff. But it's looking great. I think it's looking great. But the only thing is I wished I put them a little bit closer together. But otherwise, yeah, I think it looks, it's banging. So I'll check back in tomorrow how it dries. And yeah. See ya next time I start gluing some more paper on. Woo, baby. Oh yeah. Alright, it is the last day that I'll be gluing on some stuff. Print out some just a few more pictures. Found a few more stickers. Let's get after it, shall we? And it is pouring out, so sorry about the audio. Alright, so real quick, I just gotta say that these stickers, these Woodness Goodness stickers, I think he gives them out in like 10 packs. You can buy them, he sells them pretty cheap on his merch shop, but these things are amazing, like the coolest designs ever. He has like a log dog, pizza saw, like his cabin coming out of a Pringles can, a donut circular saw. He's got all these sick designs, and you should go get yourself one. They're really neat and crazy nice quality. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this toolbox tonight. Come back tomorrow and we will give her a little coat of clear spray paint, seal it all in. We'll do quite a few coats of that just to get a thick layer on it. But yeah, let's go. Never mind. It's actually not all for tonight. I just had the idea I have this paint pen, and I might just write like Woodness Goodness, half feral, just some other stuff on the sides. So let's go grab that paint pen and yeah, write some names. Alright, Graham, I'm sorry for my handwriting. I am so sorry. I think I'm gonna outline it first. That's how bad I am at handwriting. for this video right here. I have a decision to make. 1 exclamation point or 3? You know what? This is for Graham, you know? Yeah, we're making it 3. Yeah, we're painting it tonight. Or I guess not painting it, but sealing it. I'm gonna seal up everything on that, and it'll pretty much be done. So I'm gonna set up a little thing that I can hang it, so I can just all do it in one swipe. And yeah, let's do this. We got the 5th coat. Oh yeah, it's gonna turn out good. Alright, this will be my 6th coat. And it's looking pretty good. Hopefully, it's definitely, you know, sticking a bit better, staying down. I was really hoping to get more of a sealer, but this is working, but not as good as I wanted it to. Still looks good. Does make it pop. Might do 1 or 2 more coats. I don't really know. But yeah, I don't want to do too many or else it'll get all gooey and it just won't dry correctly and everything. So yeah, that's why I'm kind of taking light coats. Yeah, let's put on the 6th coat. I think this is the last coat I'm gonna do. That last coat helped out a lot. That got on the paper, start to seal on the edges a bit, and I think 1 more, mwah, it's gonna make it look amazing. So we're gonna do this last coat. Let's put on this last coat. Shake it out, shake it out.
That's good. Finish it up. Outro. Go now.
So I gave Graham the toolbox and he absolutely loved it. That's where he's keeping his stickers and his like merch and all that. So it's really neat and I'm glad he enjoyed it. But make sure you like and subscribe because we got some more awesome videos coming your way. Peace. It's cold outside. It's really cold.
All right.
Can we go inside? Like.